Hi guys, it's Chandler with Classic Care, sharing my setup here for carpet and upholstery cleaning. That's a height extender with my sealer door. This door is probably about 10 feet tall. And as you see here, I got runners down um, wherever my hoses are going. Also, the most important thing is that I put down runners for throughout my job and wherever I will be walking. And this is my drying area as well as a cleaning area for the upholstery, where I'll be cleaning the cushions and also drying them here in this area. So this is my drying station here. I'll be cleaning those two chairs that's in front of that's on each end of the kitchen table, and I'll be cleaning this sofa here as well as the rug that the sofa is sitting on. That's my vacuum cleaner I'll be using. And as you see, I have a walking path. Wherever I'll be walking, I protect those areas. I'll be cleaning this rug here in the dining room, this rug in front of the front door, and this rug in the office, as well as that chair. And also, I got a walking area going into the master bedroom as well, where I'll be cleaning this bench here. But the rug under the bed and under the bench, we'll be taking that off site to wash that. And there's two other rugs here in the bathroom, here, and then one in front of the toilet. So I think it's important to protect all the areas that you're going to be walking throughout the house, and that just creates such a clean space to work. And once I got this set up, I feel comfortable and I can flow. Thanks for viewing.